Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we feature new releases from Menards and MTH. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Menards has released a new beta test batch of their remote O-Gauge turnouts in both O72 and O36 curves. Unfortunately, these small beta test batches have already sold out. However, like the Menards FP7 diesels, you can expect regular production versions of these turnouts to be released in the coming months. There's still snow on my driveway, but MTH Electric Trains has just announced their new Halloween products for 2025. First up is this Imperial ES44AC diesel in Halloween colors with a suggested retail price of $449.95. Or how about a matching Rugged Rails Extended Vision Halloween caboose for $89.95? Or this Rail King Nightmare Express Alco PA1 diesel for $399.95. Of course, there is a matching 4-car streamlined passenger set for $429.95, with a 2-car sleeper and diner add-on set for $219.95, another add-on coach car for $109.95, and a full Vista Dome car for $114.95. All of these passenger cars feature holiday LED lighting. There is also a new Rail King Galloping Goose in Halloween colors for $349.95. And a new Rail King 50-foot double-door plugged-door Halloween boxcar set with lights for $369.95. Also new for 2025 are updated versions of the Transylvania Power and Light boxcar with meter for $84.95, a Happy Halloween 2025 boxcar for $69.95, a Happy Halloween 2025 boxcar with glowing LED lights for $79.95, 3 new Ghost Trap gondola cars with flickering ghosts for $79.95 each, 2 new gondolas with flickering pumpkins for $79.95 each, 2 new flat cars with flickering illuminated headstones for $79.95 each, 2 new Halloween action aquarium type cars for $84.95 each, a new Halloween water tower for $89.95, a new 2-story Field of Screams building for $99.95, and a new House of Halloween roadside stand structure for $79.95. All of these products are expected to arrive at authorized MTH retailers in August or September 2025. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale R1 2-car subway set in MTA schoolyard colors for exclusive distribution by Nassau Trains. The non-powered set will make a great addition to other MTH R21 subway sets coming later in 2025. Hint: MTH will be announcing new subway sets soon. Available in extremely limited quantities, this set is expected to arrive in April 2025. The early order price is $259.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Scale Alco RS1 diesel locomotive in New York, Susquehanna, and Western bicentennial colors for exclusive distribution by Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities and is expected to arrive in April 2025. The early order price is $399.99. MTH Electric Trains will be producing an exclusive and limited edition PS1 boxcar for the 30th anniversary of the Train Loft. Cars are expected to arrive this spring and have an early order price of $59.95. MTH Trains will also be producing 3 exclusive extended vision cabooses for the Train Loft. Available schemes include Denver and Rio Grande Western Heritage colors, Norfolk and Western, and Chesapeake and Ohio. Artwork is not yet available for the C&O and N&W cars. The early order price is $89.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced 2 exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge number 193 water towers in Southern Railway and Norfolk and Western colors for exclusive distribution by the Train Loft. The towers will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in June 2025. The early order price is $69.95 each. Beginning in March 2025, that's next week, What's New in O-Gauge will be spinning off into its own dedicated channel. So if you like our Saturday long format videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel you are watching now. But if you want to continue seeing episodes of What's New in O-Gauge, follow the link that appears at the end of this video and subscribe to the new What's New in O-Gauge channel. And click the bell notification so you never miss a Tuesday morning episode, as this will be the final episode of What's New in O-Gauge to appear on the Toy Train Tips and Tricks channel. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.